Welcome to another awesome video of my cousin's YouTube channel. Please say your link and subscribe.
I'm his awesome cousin. Look, we're having a Nerf battle.
Yeah.
And just look at this. We each got 2 packets. These 2 are on a team. You got 1 packet each, but you can share. I had 2 packets. Yeah, awesome Nerf battle. These 2 both have just like pistol guns, and I have a sniper. And we have to start in separate rooms. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Look at these guys. Just getting tape so I can take you guys onto me. Hey Louie, yeah? I need you to take me, please.
Why does this never work?
Please.
Why have you put this one up there?
Just please. Yes. His gun's backfired. I think it's jammed. Oh my god, it hit me right in the chest. Just wait until I'm done with this. Okay. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna get a headshot. He's trying to shoot under the table. Oh my god, I nearly hit the TV. This is horrible. This thing takes ages to reload as well. There's 2 doors open. Ah, flip! I'm not reloading. Oh, I'm gonna hit the back. He's grabbing more bullets. Headshot. I just got a headshot on Tommy. Ah! He missed. Ah! Reloaded. Ah! Flip, I missed! Oh, Jesus. I'm cornered. Where's my bullets that fell out? Ah! Oh my god! If you keep doing that, come here! No! Oh, flip! Please don't! Tommy, please! Jeez! Okay, give me 10 seconds! 10 seconds for bullets!
No, what's your truth? Get out of there.
Okay. We can make a deal!
Die!
That's a horrible offer for you.
I was in the bathroom next day.
Where's your gun? I like how this guy just... I like how the bicycle... Come back! I see you, Tommy. I shot him in the nutcrackers. Come here, turn! Oh my god!
Oh, stop, I'm stranded.
Ah!
Why is this gun so useless?
Because it's being handled by you. Hey, you're there.
No!
Come here! I just took the whole box of ammo. Oh no, no one else saw that! Ah! Oh my god. Oh, so, oh my god, I just I got it right in the nutcrackers. That was amazing. Best shot I've ever done in my life. Tried to hold my gun down. I shouldn't have done that. I don't think you'll ever be coming back. How are you, boy? You two, we're gonna cut out now. Goodbye.